Hi, welcome. I'm here to teach you how to install CarLink script. So I'm going to go to my codelist.cc. So I'm on the site presently, and I'm going to go to mobile section of the site. Then on my search button here, I'm going to enter the name of the script, which is CarLink. I'm going to press enter. Then this is the script I'm going to teach us how to do. Then I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, I'm going to copy the first link. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to create a new tab, my browser, and paste the link there. And you click on enter. And then I'm going to download the file here. So after I've downloaded the file, go to your file explorer and go to download. So this is the file I downloaded. Then you're going to extract it. Right click, come to here, extract to CarLink. If you do that, then this is the folder here. Then I'm going to copy this folder to my desktop, and I'm going to paste it. So this is the folder here. Then now let the work begins. I'm going to go to my Android Studio, go to my file, go to open. Then I'm going to go to the desktop directory and then open the project. This is the project here. Click on it. Then press OK. So this is the project structure. This is the script I'm going to teach you how to install. Then I'm going to connect my physical device. You can see here, this is my physical device in Phoenix. And I'm going to run a command to show my physical device. So before then, I'm going to go to my terminal. I'm going to enter this command, flutter get. Then I'm going to press enter to get the latest dependency. So after then, go to your run and click on run to run the project. Then I can come to my terminal here and write some command to show my physical device. As you can see, this is my physical device. I can bring it to the right side of the screen. I'm going to minimize it. And the project is already running. Let's give it some minutes to run the project. Then the project is already displaying. As you can see, in the console log. So this is the CarLink project running on our physical device. Then I can get started and I can sign up. So I'm currently in Nigeria. I can search for my country. And then input my password. So this is how to install the script for the CarLink. Then there's some documentation for us to connect the backend, the database. So thank you for watching.